The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Coffee County in Middle Tennessee, Warren County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Fentress County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, White County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, southern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Cumberland County in Middle Tennessee, Grundy County in Middle Tennessee, Canaan County in Middle Tennessee, Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, Central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, and Van Buren County in Middle Tennessee, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. A large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 8 miles west of Lewisburg, or 11 miles southeast of Columbia, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Lewisburg around 12:06 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Shelbyville, Tullahoma, McMinnville, Crossville, Manchester, Christiana, Fairfield Glade, Sparta, Smithville, Lake Tydesee, Woodbury, Grootly Lager, Spencer, Chapel Hill, Tracy City, New Union, Unionville, Monteagle, and Altamont. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 between mile markers 74 and 142. Interstate 40 between mile markers 299 and 353. Interstate 75 between mile markers 4 and 63. Highway 1 between mile marker 0 and 29. Highway 24 between mile marker 0 and 6. Highway 27 between mile markers 23 and 114. Highway 31 between mile markers 35 and 223. Highway 41 between mile markers 0 and 54. Highway 50 between mile markers 9 and 29. Highway 64 between mile markers 297 and 310. Highway 70 between mile markers 243 and 487. Highway 70 near mile marker 0. Highway 124 between mile markers 2 and 22. Highway 127 between mile markers 0 and 91. Highway 231 between mile markers 16 and 61. Highway 411 between mile markers 1 and 31. Highway 431 between mile markers 7 and 26. Highway 50 between mile markers 5 and 25. Highway 55 between mile marker 0 and 33. Highway 61 near mile marker 328. Highway 64 between mile markers 52 and 75. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is developing. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.